Good morning, students. Welcome to week 2 of integrated learning, asking questions. This week we are going to be doing some brainstorming. So you're going to start by clicking into brainstorming team problems. You've got a couple of assignments that are going to be due on Tuesday. You've got some reading and some videos to watch. You're then going to do some individual brainstorming first, and all the directions are in there before you're going to create a shared document or a shared drive and a project document. So you're going to start by working on your own first, and then you'll work to start collaborating with your team. That's going to take place mostly by Thursday, but of course work on it throughout the week, where you're going to work on finishing up your team charter and brainstorming problems. So think about problems you might experience in the workplace, in school. Try to find a balance between not being too small in your problem, but also, of course, we're not going to solve something as large as the global pandemic or anything like that. So try and find something that you think would be appropriate and applicable, and use that to kind of guide your discussions. You're also going to have a discussion forum post due Thursday, and your responses will be due on Sunday. And then by Sunday, you're also going to submit your team charter and brainstorming problems and your course reflection. So just a couple of quick reminders. If you haven't already, make sure that you have shared your drives with both me and Michelle. Make sure that you've included us in your Slack channels. If you haven't, make sure that you're responding to your teammates' Flipgrid introductions. Some of you have responded to other people in the class, which is great, but of course your most important responses should be to your teammates. Any problems, reach out to me. I'm happy to answer. Also feel free to post in the course discussions forum. That will help other classmates see what the problems are as well, and see if there's some common threads that we can answer. So happy Monday, have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy brainstorming.